Today I'm going to be talking about one of the more confusing aspects of the English language. Hello everyone, welcome to day 23 of the 30-day English learning series with me, Bageshree. Today we are going to be talking about modal verbs. Didn't understand? Modal verbs are words like can, could, may, might, shall, should, etc. Let's get started. Can is used to express your ability to do something, whereas could is used to express your past ability. I could dance for 3 hours non-stop. May is used to express a high possibility of something happening, whereas might is used to express a slim possibility of something happening. I might come in day after tomorrow. Will is used to express your willingness to do something, whereas would is used to extend an invitation or talk about future under specific circumstances. There is something like must, which is a necessity, whereas there is something like ought to, where you are talking about what is correct. You ought to do this, right?